What if sending money abroad was as easy as sending a text, or your favorite shopping app could also work like a bank? That's not a dream, it's banking in 2026. From invisible payments inside apps to unbreakable digital records and lightning-fast cross-border transfers, Fintech is rewriting how we all use money. Today, let's explore the biggest global banking trends shaping our future and what they really mean for everyone. Banking has always been about money moving safely. But in 2026, it's about speed, trust, and access. Fintech, short for financial technology, is the driving force behind this shift. Billions of dollars are being invested into innovations that are making banking simpler, faster, and more inclusive. Banks once relied on branches, paperwork, and long waiting times. Now, technology allows people to open accounts, transfer funds, or invest, all from a smartphone. This shift isn't just happening in one country, it's global. Whether in the US, Europe, Africa, or Asia, Fintech is creating opportunities for people who never had easy access to banking before. Experts predict that by 2026, Fintech will handle trillions in transactions worldwide. But what's driving this change? 4 powerful trends: embedded finance, open banking, blockchain, and borderless digital payments. Let's dive into each one. Embedded finance. Banking hidden in everyday apps. Imagine ordering food from a delivery app and being offered a buy now, pay later option right there. Or booking a ride and being shown a mini savings account within the same app. That's embedded finance, financial tools tucked inside everyday apps. It's growing fast because people love convenience. Instead of switching between banking apps and shopping apps, embedded finance allows you to handle money while doing daily tasks. For example, shopping apps offering instant credit for purchases. Ride-sharing apps providing micro-insurance for drivers. Gaming apps letting players convert in-game rewards into real money. This invisible layer of banking is estimated to be worth billions by 2026. Companies like Amazon, Uber, and even smaller startups are making this trend mainstream. The impact? Banking feels less like a chore and more like a natural part of life. For families, it can mean easier budgeting, while for businesses, it creates new ways to reach customers. Of course, rules are needed to protect data, but the benefits are huge. Open banking, giving people more control. Think of open banking as giving you the keys to your financial data. You decide who can access it and how it's used. With your permission, apps can connect to your bank account and offer smarter services. For example, budgeting apps that analyze your spending and help you save. Comparison tools that instantly find cheaper loan or mortgage options. Investment apps that combine your banking data with stock portfolios, giving you a clear picture of your finances. In Europe and the UK, laws already make this possible, and in 2026, the rules are getting even stronger. Other countries like Brazil, India, and Australia are catching up. The biggest benefit is fairness. Instead of banks locking your data away, you can share it with services that actually help you. For young people or those without long banking histories, open banking makes it easier to get credit, since apps can judge based on real cash flow rather than outdated credit scores. It's like turning banking into a financial playground where you have the power to choose. Blockchain, the unbreakable ledger. If embedded finance and open banking are about convenience, blockchain is about trust. Blockchain is like a digital notebook that no one can erase or fake. Every entry is permanent, making it nearly impossible to cheat. This technology is famous for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but banks in 2026 are using it for much more. Cross-border payments. Sending money internationally in seconds instead of days. Tokenization. Turning assets like property or stocks into digital tokens that are easier to buy, sell, and trade. Smart contracts. Automatic deals where money only moves once conditions are met. For example, paying a seller only after goods arrive safely. According to experts, blockchain could secure a huge part of the global economy by 2027. For everyday people, it means less fraud, faster payments, and cheaper services. For businesses, it makes trading smoother and more transparent. The challenge? Regulations. Governments are working to keep blockchain safe while stopping misuse. But its role in global banking is growing rapidly, and it's here to stay. Digital payments across borders, money without borders. Sending money abroad has always been a headache. High fees, slow transfers, and hidden costs made it frustrating. But Fintech in 2026 is changing that. Now cross-border payments are becoming instant. Thanks to digital wallets, stablecoins, and new systems like Europe's Wero, moving money internationally is almost as simple as sending a text. Examples include digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Wallet expanding to work across countries. Stablecoins backed by real money, giving people a steady, safe way to send funds globally. Virtual cards that help businesses manage international expenses without overspending. For families, this means sending money to loved ones abroad with lower fees. For businesses, it makes global trade easier and more affordable. For developing countries, it means financial inclusion, helping millions join the global economy. In short, the world is shrinking when it comes to payments. AI in banking, the smart assistant. Artificial intelligence is another invisible engine behind banking in 2026. It powers everything from fraud detection to personalized financial advice. Fraud detection. AI spots unusual activity in seconds, stopping hackers before they succeed. Personalized planning. Apps use AI to suggest saving or investment plans based on your habits. Customer service. Chatbots powered by AI give quick 24/7 help. For banks, AI reduces costs and improves accuracy. For customers, it means smarter and safer banking experiences. Green banking and sustainable fintech. Another exciting trend is the rise of green banking. Many apps now track your carbon footprint and reward eco-friendly spending. For example, buying from sustainable stores could earn you extra points or discounts. Banks and fintech firms are also using blockchain to track green investments, making sure money really goes toward eco-friendly projects. In 2026, sustainability isn't just about helping the planet, it's becoming a core part of banking innovation. Banking as a service, BaaS, banks behind the scenes. Banking as a service allows non-banks to offer financial services by partnering with licensed institutions. For example, a retail store could offer credit cards or loans without becoming a bank itself. This trend helps businesses build loyalty while giving customers more financial choices. However, strict compliance rules, known as RegTech, are essential to make sure everything is safe and legal. The bigger picture, what it means for everyone. So what do all these banking trends mean for everyday people like us? It really comes down to three key benefits. Convenience is the first. Banking now happens right where you are, whether you're shopping online, booking a ride, or using a favorite messaging app. Then there's control. Open banking hands power back to you, letting you choose who uses your financial data and how. And finally, global access. Thanks to blockchain, AI, and borderless payments, money can move faster, more securely, and with fewer barriers. Yes, challenges such as regulation, security, and fairness remain, but the bigger picture is clear. By 2026, banking will be more digital, more transparent, and more connected than ever before. Fintech is rewriting the rules of global banking in 2026. With embedded finance, open banking, blockchain, AI, and borderless payments, the world of money is becoming faster, smarter, and more inclusive. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel Financial Success Hub, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more insights into the future of finance. And we encourage you to check out the free goodies and resources in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.